you guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So I am here with my 2-year post Big Chop update. So my Big Chop official date was May 26, 2021, and y'all, I freaking love my hair. And before anybody asks or wonders, till this day, I still do not regret doing the Big Chop. So if you have missed my Big Chop video, maybe you're new, maybe you just haven't been on YouTube, whatever the case, I will link that down below so you guys can see just how much I cut off, why I cut my hair off. But yeah, we are 2 years natural. Well, I hate when I say that. 2 years post Big Chop. I've always been natural, but y'all know what I mean. So I also have other updates. If you guys missed them, I have a 3, 6, 9 update, 1 year update, 1.5 year update. Check those out. But just like in those videos, I start the video off by showing you a before and after of my hair in different hairstyles, so you guys can see what my hair looks like, for example, in a twist out, in a wash and go, in a braid out when I first Big Chopped versus now when I'm 2 years natural. So you guys can kind of just look at the styles, see how my hair has grown, how it's changed, and how it looks, and then we will come back. Alright, so now that you guys have seen my growth, I really don't have too much of an update. I feel like every time I do these update videos, I really don't have too much to say. The first thing I do want to say though is in my last Big Chop 1.5 year update video, I did share with you guys that I had started to wash my hair like every 2 weeks, and I just want to come here and say I definitely changed that back to 1 time a week. So I am washing my hair at least once a week, because the 2 times a month or doing it every other week, it was working for a while, but I started having scalp issues. I felt like my hair was definitely getting drier. So I've just come to accept that I have to wash my hair at least 1 time a week. Some, depending on the style and how I'm taking care of my hair, I can maybe stretch it a few days, but other than that, I want to keep it consistent. Now, as far as heat, nothing has really changed with this. I still am not straightening my hair, so I have not straightened my hair since I Big Chopped, but I will say I have really been considering it, like at least 1 time a year straightening my hair. I really just, don't get me wrong, I love my curls, I love doing all the curly styles, but it's like, it is fun to switch it up sometimes. So sometimes I want to be able to see my length. Sometimes I just want my hair to be straight, to try something new. So we'll see about that. But as far as blow drying and stuff, I think the last time I blow dried my hair was the last time I trimmed, which probably was about like, I don't know, maybe 5 months ago. I honestly can't remember. But the only reason I haven't really been blow drying is because it just be taking too long, like seriously. So don't nobody got time for that, and I just go ahead and just do wet styles. As far as the heat is going, I'm still using little to no heat, and that is like one of my top #1 tips for maintaining and growing healthy, long, natural hair. Now, as far as moisture goes, because moisture again is one of those top tips, you have to keep your hair moisturized. You cannot slack when it comes to moisturizing natural hair, because trust me, your hair is going to show and it's gonna start acting crazy if you don't. But goddess curls, So, of course, y'all know I gotta talk about my own hair products. I have to plug them in. So, y'all know I have my own brand, Goddess Curls, and I'm about to drop it. These are the products that we have, as well as a Radiant Body Elixir. But yeah, this is the Divine Hair Elixir right here, my hair oil. This is the Enchanting Moisture Cream, a hair moisturizer and styler, and then this is our Ravishing leave-in detangler. So this is a detangler slash leave-in, and these are the only products I use to style my hair and have been using to style and take care of my hair. And I know these are my products, so of course I have to say good things about them, but y'all can see in all of the videos that I post how they work, what it's doing to my hair, how my hair is looking, the results, etc. So I feel like it speaks for itself because I literally show you every single video. But as far as like shampoo, conditioner, I have put my own shampoo and conditioner on like a pause right now. So I'm still just trying to use up the stuff that I have that I feel like I use too much of to get rid of. I don't like to give away products that are like halfway used. That's just me personally. I'm sure people would probably take them, but I just don't like that. I've been using my Olaplex shampoo and mask. I've been using what? Edenbody Works, peppermint shampoo and conditioner, my rice water shampoo. I'm trying to think. I feel like I have some other random products that I've been using to wash and condition my hair too. But other than that, I've been using my brand. I swear by them. So yeah, y'all, I think my next updates will probably be when it has been 3 years, so 2024. But I just really love my hair at the length it's at. I'm not gonna lie. I loved my hair when I first big chopped. Then I did not like it for a while. I probably didn't start falling back in love with my hair until I got closer to, once I hit a year, I was like, okay, I'm getting there. Like, I'm getting the length that I like. It's starting to look exactly how I want it. But once I got to 1.5 years, that's when I was like, okay, we're on the road. But now, 2 years, I just can't wait for year 3. Like every year, I just cannot wait for the following because I really want to get to waist length. I have never actually made it to waist length. I've always gotten really, really close, but if I could reach waist length, I would be so happy. I know length and all that stuff is not important, but that is just something I want. I personally love long hair on myself, and I don't think there's anything wrong with that. So just stay along the journey with me, you guys, to see if I can reach it. But don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please check out my brand, Goddess Curls. I'll put the website on the screen, and subscribers do get a 20% off. So make sure you use the code subscriber. I'll put that on the screen too at checkout to save 20% off. Check out my products, try them out, read the reviews if you need to, watch my videos. But yeah, I will see you guys in another one.